people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab. The Industrial Revolution has induced an unprecedented change in the notion and paradigm of warfare. Historically, war was associated with and limited to the utilization of hard power and conventional means in a bid to subdue an enemy or a target. Whereas in its contemporary form, warfare is more about exploiting enemies' vulnerabilities and bringing about subversions. More precisely, hybrid or sub-conventional form of warfare is like a silent, slow and sweet yet swift poison that erodes the target's capabilities to fight back and retaliate in action or in kind. This form of warfare encompasses the doctrine of whosoever, whatever, wherever and howsoever. Additionally, a host of elements add more to its severity, like utilization of media as weapon of mass deception and propaganda dissemination. Against this backdrop, in today's sitting, we are going to comprehensively discuss such areas as what is exactly meant by hybrid warfare, what are the instruments being used to practice this form of warfare. Also, how is Pakistan confronting the challenge being posed by fifth-generation warfare? Followed by this discussion, we will end up our today's session with certain policy prescriptions as to how Pakistan may well be in a position to navigate the challenges being posed by this hybrid or non-conventional form of warfare.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.